COVID-19 has dramatically impacted the real estate market. In most markets across the country, we are seeing population exoduses from major cities and vacancy rates rising in many city centers. And landlords are feeling the pressure. In this video, find out how real estate agents can get landlord business and start generating recurring income. Hi, my name is PJ and I'm the Director of Client Services at RentalBeast. And you're watching Not Your Typical Slow Season, a new video series dedicated to help real estate agents develop major opportunities in what is typically the slow season. In this video, I'll break down how real estate agents have a unique opportunity to help landlords list their vacant rentals, sell properties, and in some instances, even buy additional investment properties. Subscribe to this channel to keep up with the Not Your Typical Slow Season video series. Number 1. List a vacant rental. Earning an exclusive rental listing agreement with a landlord is a great way to ensure future cash flow. In the short term, once the listing is rented, you'll get paid. In the long term, you've just made a great source of recurring revenue. Vacancy rates are on the rise. This means there is a surplus of new exclusive rental listings for you to obtain. So start to make regular outreach to available landlords. Explain that you are a local expert who can help get their property rented. You will want to try and personalize the message as well. For example, if you see a listing with no pictures, offer to take pictures. Even just letting the landlord know the rental is pricing correctly can help you get your foot in the door. If you do obtain the listing, you'll receive a commission and, if all goes well, a reliable source of business that extends far beyond this year's slow season. 2. Selling properties. Unfortunately, there will be some cash-strapped landlords who need to sell their property. This will not be uncommon as we know vacancy rates are rising and some landlords won't be making consistent rent checks. If you can identify a landlord or rental property that's struggling, you can step in and offer your services to either help list vacant rentals or help sell the property. Be prepared, as the landlord will want to know how much you can feasibly sell their property for, how you can market their property, and what experience you have selling rental properties. So get ready to make a presentation that shares all of these points. And if you don't have experience selling rental properties yet, make sure to stress your experience working with renters in the past. Number 3, buying properties. With low interest rates and fresh multifamily properties hitting the market, there will be some landlords or investors who want to increase their portfolio. I recently read an IRS report that included a fascinating data point about the dramatic increase in the number of folks reporting rental income between 2009 and 2011. Why'd this happen? Well, many folks took advantage of the glut of foreclosed single-family properties being sold at low values after the Great Recession. I expect the same trend to happen over the next few months. Can you help a landlord expand their portfolio? Let small landlords know about this trend and see if you can help identify single-family properties they can purchase with your help, and that you can help transition them directly into a rental property. So there we have 3 ways you can generate new business during what is typically labeled as the slow season. Obviously, in this current environment, this is anything but a slow season. And here's a final tip. Get comfortable with cold calling. Check out our blog to find a script to cold call landlords. And make sure to visit RentalBeast University or Rentalbeast.blog for more tips on how to grow your business. Thanks for watching, and come back next week for a video on how you can leverage rentals to get business for the long run.